everybody! In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create a choose your own adventure style game inside of code.org. So let's get started. So here I'm just going to show my screen and you can see it there. And I'm just going to open up my browser. And then I'm going to go over to code.org. And here I'm just going to sign in. And there we go. I've just signed in right here. And now I'll hit create and I'm going to select AppLab like so. Now let's just wait for this to load up. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to rename this project to be Choose Your Own Adventure like so. Hit save and there we go. Now we're going to start off with the design. So here I'm just going to drag in a label and what I'm going to type inside of this label is going to be like a short story kind of thing. You can pick whatever story you want, but here I'm just going to paste a little story in. So here, let's just paste that in, and there we go. So you can just read this if you want, but for now I'm just going to place it there, and let's just change some properties. Um, Actually, let me make that a little bigger. There we go. And let's see here. Is all okay? That's also okay. I think let's just set that. Nah, no, let's just be 13. Just set this to center. And okay, that's pretty good. Now we will add two buttons right over here, and also I'm just going to select my theme as classic. You can just choose whatever theme you want. Button here and call this btn underscore. So there's a car and a cycle next to you. So I'm just going to call this btn underscore cycle. And the text is also going to be cycle, and I'm just going to choose a color right now. So let's just do this yellowish color. Yeah, that's okay. And now I'm going to duplicate this and then let's just see what its Y position is. Just gonna copy this in, paste that there. Oh, oops, I wanted the X position, not the Y. Yeah, there we go. And now just gonna drag it down like so. I think 250 will be good. And here what I'm going to do is call this btn underscore car and just do car, select a color, and I'm just going to do a blue color like so. Okay, I think that's going to be good. And now what we're going to do is create a new screen, and this is going to be, so basically, let me just say you right now. So if you click on the cycle option, so basically you need to get home as fast as you can. So if you click on the cycle option, you're going to lose. But if you click on the car option, you're going to win. So basically that's what's going to happen. So here on screen 2, we will just hold the screen underscore cycle, which is basically the lose screen. And what I'm going to do here is again drag in a label and just say label underscore lose or something like that. You lost because a car is faster than a cycle. Okay, so basically again you need to get home as fast as you can. So if you select cycle, you're just simply going to lose. There we go. Or actually we can just simplify this and just do you lose. Okay. Okay, and let's just change this to 17 and center. Nice. Okay, nice. So now what I'm going to do is create other screen, a new screen again, and just call this screen underscore car. Now we're again going to drag it in, a label, and call this label underscore win. Let's just do win, and let's just do you win, like so. Now again, we're just going to do this font size 17 and text alignment we're going to set to center. So let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Mm, Here we go. Let's just do that. And of course, you can add how much ever you want to the screen. And I will say you to do that. So because this is just a video, that's why I'm just doing this much of it. Now on the screen one, let's just call this screen underscore main or something so that we don't get confused. And now let's get into coding. So I'm just going to hide the toolbox, and basically it should be like this for you when you start, but I'm just going to click show text because I prefer coding with text. Now just write on event of when we click on the button underscore cycle, let's do cycle first, then click, then we will have a callback function like so, put a semicolon there. So this is basically going to execute whatever code is in here when we click on this little cycle button. So what we need to do is set the screen to screen underscore cycle, right? Now if I hit play, if I click on cycle, it just says you lose. That's correct. Now we will create an on event of when we click on, let's just do um, button underscore car. Then what we will do is create a callback function like so, put a semicolon there, and we will set screen to be screen underscore car, like so. Now if I hit play or run, then if I click on the car, it says you win. Let's test that again. So cycle says you lose, and car it says you win. So that's pretty much it for this video. So it was just a really simple game that we created in this video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.